guys, it's me again, Patricia Aguilas, and welcome back to another video. And for today's video ay pupunta tayo ngayon sa end-year party ng Senior High School Department of Colasi National High School. So it is my privilege na i-invite talaga ako nila at na hindi talaga nila ako nakalimutan i-invite for this December. At kasabay na yun pag-celebrate ang birthday ni Ma'am Jing and Ma'am Prince. So, at yun na nga. So, kahit na end na yung contract ko sa kanila, sa Dole GIP, nakasign ako sa Colasi National High School, but still, they remember me. So, ayun na nga. And, samahan nyo ako pumunta doon. And, next clip siguro is nandun na ako. So, hindi kasi ako pag-video kasi nagmumotor na ako papunta doon. So, hindi naman pwede na nagmumotor habang naka-cellphone. So, ayun na nga. Punta na tayo doon.
Celebration of life of Jing Jing and Tita Princess, and of course we celebrate sa ginatawag lapit na lang, no? And we commemorate or remember the birth of Jesus Christ, which is ang pinaka-important reason for the season. So to start with, yung grabe remarks. Okay. So, let us all stand up na siguro kay Ma'am Renita and let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. So let's sing happy birthday to Jing and Princess. Wow! Dili ka mo dapat. Ikaw na kung saan ano. Sige na, let's sing na happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ready, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jing Jing. Yay. So much.
Gusto ko iharap kay Jen sa effort and permit para sa amor. Ma-feel yun naman ang pagpalamba as well as kay Pinoy, kay Julie, kay Tito Brian. At ako permit, diba? Kung attendance permit kay Tuto. And sa aming sunod guests, kay Mong Tessie, kay Manny Roger, kay Pak, kay Nanay. So hopefully, next year, kita naman. Ang mananahin lang ang venue. Jen, ano mga kami sa pagbago. Thank you so much. I would like not Sir Brian. Thank you.
1,000.
I would like to take this opportunity na ipaabot po sa Colasia National High School yung pasasalamat ko sa pag-accept niyo po sa akin and sa pag-welcome niyo po sa akin sa inyong school, especially sa mga teachers, ma'am, sirs, and the staffs of Colasia National High Schools, especially yung principal po, si Ma'am Tess. So, thank you for accepting me. Kahit 3 months lang po yung pag-stay ko sa inyo is naging memorable naman po para sa akin at hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan lahat. So, thank you guys, or thank you ma'am and sirs for everything. I would like to thank you all for making my first ever job memorable and exciting, I guess. So even though I am always absent sa work ko, lalo na almost yatang 2 weeks na hindi ako nakapasok, pero they still considered me na gusto nilang mag-reapply ako at magstay ako sa kanila. So, sorry ma'am and sirs na hindi na ako makapag-stay kasi magka-focus na po ako sa aking board exam. So, ayoko na po kasi maging napakahuli sa aking mga batchmates, lalo na sa result ng board exam ko, mga diagnostics ko, and formative exams ko. Napakababa kasi hindi ako nakapag-review. So, yun po. So, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope na-share ko ulit sa inyo yung isang journey ng aking life. At yun po, yung first ever ko ng work which is sa Colasia National High School ako na-assign under po sa Dolly GIP. So, that's all for today's video and continue supporting my channel. And thank you for subscribing. At sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na po kayo. And don't skip ads. See you in the next video. Bye!